In this video, I'm going to teach you how to take in a pair of denim cutoffs and also cut the legs so that they're flattering. So stay tuned because this is a really easy fix that doesn't require, messing with the waistband too much or anything like that. This is my preferred method for modifying my shorts. So in order to complete this tutorial, I suggest you have on hand some sewing thread for denim, heavy duty sewing needles, specially made for denim. You're gonna need fabric scissors, some sort of marking utensil, something to mark with. Both those are optional, and sewing pins. I also highly suggest a steam iron, and if you have access to it, a wooden pressing board, because there's going to be a lot of pressing involved in this tutorial, and having that wooden pressing surface is going to make that denim behave much better. Start by unpeaking the seams at your waistband. Cut down the side seam on both sides, removing where the rivets are. Don't cut through the waistband. Next, cut out your pockets. So at this point, you want your shorts to look like this. You want to have the pockets taken out, the waistband still intact, but they're open on both. Now you want to press your pockets down. This is a lot easier if you press those pockets really thoroughly. Denim is tough to sew, but if you iron it enough, then you should be fine. Sew up both of your side seams, leaving the waistband alone. Now you're going to reattach your waistband. Pin in place and sew down. Next, I like to try the shorts on and mark them while they're on my body. Then I'll take my shorts over to my cutting table and use my French curve to smooth out the marks I've made. Now cut where you've made markings. And here is the finished result. You can distress where you cut off the jeans as you like. I used sandpaper and ran them through the washing machine. And please excuse that I have paint all over my hands and my shirt. I've been painting all day. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button if you like this video.